To refill this toner cartridge, remove the 3 screws on the side of the toner cartridge. Compatible toner cartridges made in China may be slightly different. Under this tape there is the 3rd screw. Remove the side cover. Take note of the position of the gears. Remove the gears. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the white cap. Remove the metal ring. Remove this gear. This white plastic part has 2 hooks. The first hook is here. The other hook is here. Release the hooks and remove the white plastic part. Slide the toner roller to the right and remove it. Remove the refill plug. Be careful not to damage it. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. If possible, use a toner workstation. Getting all the old toner out is very important. The best you clean the toner cartridge, the best print quality you'll have. Do not breathe the toner dust. Using a cotton swab, clean the doctor blade, so there is no evidence of build-up along the edge. This blade controls the amount of toner on the toner roller. Be careful not to damage this plastic sealing blade. If damaged, the cartridge could lose toner. Clean the side felt. Clean the toner roller with a soft cloth. You can use water or isopropyl alcohol diluted with water. This roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Reinstall the toner roller. Insert the white plastic part. Refill the cartridge with toner. This toner cartridge could contain around 200 grams of toner. Replace the plug. Insert this gear. The flat part of the gear goes on the bottom. In this way. Insert the metal ring. Reinstall the white cap. Install the other gears. This toner cartridge has a chip that, once a certain number of pages have been printed, sends an error message. There are no reset gears or reset methods. You must replace the chip. Reinstall the side cover. Insert the 3 screws. Turn the toner roller several times to make sure it's correctly installed and there are no spots on the surface of the roller. You can clean the toner roller with a soft cloth. And the work is done. For any quality problem with the toner cartridge, in the description you'll find a link to a troubleshooting guide.